What's up guys, and here we are again, another day, another vlog at Pong Thung village. We're in search for a place to swim, so let's go out and check it out. Check it out guys. Yeah. See, like this part especially, take a slippery step. It's a bit slippery. So what you do is you go sideways. You never go forward. Side, 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 side. One. Oh man, the water, it looks so. Check that out, babe. Check that out, people. Check that out. Just check it out, the river. I mean, it looks clean and it looks nice. It's been so many months I've been trying swimming. I mean, a year probably. A year. Check that out. Isn't that cool? We're climbing up. Oi! Hả? Hả? Balik sana.
Kuha na to, kuha na tayo na.
Balik ko no. Bangkil.
Kangkil.
Oh, kan. Uncle terap ya ya.
Genak. Lain.
Ah, like. Hey guys, we have reached the area and we're gonna swim right now, and I just want to show you how lovely it looks. The entire river, it has a kind of a sand beach. I mean, if I have to describe, it looks like a sand beach. Yeah, river sand, exactly. I think there are some people who are also washing their clothes, but here guys, 1, 2, 3, transition. All set to go for a swim. Check out my slippers. Yahoo! Alright. Try kayo mo.
Slaring na yan. Ya.
1, 2, 3. Basta